Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to test the spurious emissions on the Retevis Aliunce HA2 handy talkie. We're going to test the emissions and we're going to see how clear and loud that speaker is that's inside this nice sized handheld radio. Let's get to the bench and get going. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I've got it on a 2-meter frequency. I've got the tinySA set up with a line of negative 16.02. We don't want any other frequencies other than the one we're transmitting on to go even closer above that blue. Ideally, no other spikes, but we want this main yellow line and any other spikes to stay below the blue. We just want to see one good spike around 144.990. Got it connected to a 40 dB 20 watt dummy load or attenuator, and we've also got the tinySA set to negative 40 dB to offset the 40 dB on this, and I think we're good to go. So let's PTT this bad boy and see how clean the Aliunce HA2 really is. So that's our frequency. The span is 140 to 460. So you'll see really no other spikes nearing that blue. There's a really small one here, but we got a really nice spike here at the frequency we're transmitting on 145.00. So very close to the 99. All right. Now let's try the 440 frequency, 442.275. Now, because of my span to 460, we should see a spike over here. Nice, look at that. Very good spike, no other spikes, and the line staying well under the blue marker of negative 16.02. I got all that information on how to set this up from the Smokin' Ape. All complaints can be sent to him if I did something wrong. All right, so let's connect this to an antenna. We're going to hit the local repeater and see if we can get someone to come back and check how clear and loud this speaker is. All right, so here we are. I'm on the 147.38 repeater in the colony, and I'm hooked up to my antenna in the attic because I know when I try to hit it from here, I can't really hit the repeaters inside the house with the little rubber duck HT antennas. So let's see how it comes back with the K5 LRK repeater. K5 VOP testing.
Welcome to the K5 LRK repeater PL 110.9.
That's a real nice, clear speaker. Let's see if anyone comes back. K5 VOP, anyone give me an audio test? I'm testing a speaker. I swear, every time I try, nobody's on the repeater. Ham radio operators, you got your license, you got a radio. Push the key. Use it. All right, we're going to try the 9.2 repeater. Oops, I went too far. Wow, that's real sensitive. Okay. Whoop. Okay, I'm not sure. I've downloaded this wrong, I guess. Let's give this a try. The 146.92 repeater in Denton County here. K5 VOP, doing an audio test. Can someone give me a count back or some kind of a audio test for this speaker? K5 VOP.
K5RSV, you're coming in as a repeater, full fighting.
It was a I5 RSV or K5 RSV. All right, I appreciate it. I'm testing the speaker, and you're coming in nice and clear, so sounds really good into this HT.
Good to hear, good to hear. So, could you tell me a little bit more about the speaker system you're testing?
Well, I'm just doing an audio test on this Retevis Aliunce HA2 handy talkie. And I'm connected to my attic antenna because with the rubber ducky, I can't really hit the repeaters from inside the house. And I wanted to see how clear this speaker was. It's the Aliunce HA2 from Retevis, and it does sound very clear and very loud.
can help with the test, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Sounds like you're having a fun time with radio. So I'll break with you. This is Kilo India 5 Romeo Sierra Victor QRT.
All right, KI5 RSV, I appreciate you coming back. Thanks for the check. And K5 VOP, I'll be clear. So there you have it, the second video on the Retevis Aliunce HA2 handheld radio for 2 meter and 440. A nice crystal clear speaker, great sound. And as you saw with the tinySA Ultra, we tested the spurious emissions. It's a very clean radio. So this is our second video in the series. Watch for more videos on the GPS and other features it offers. But if you're interested, check out the link in the description below and pick yourself up one. It's a nice, sturdy, waterproof, rugged radio with lots of features. Take care, 73.